Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the inside of the Fiero on this droopy headliner. So we're just going to jump straight into tearing apart the car. We're going to take off these three things along with the pillars that go back and the pillars that go down like that. And then the headliner should just come right out. It's not held in by too much. So let's get tearing this car apart. The headliner is ready to come out. It's just resting on some of the other loose trim pieces, so I'm gonna be able to finagle it and get it on out of there. There you go. Well, here is the headliner. The adhesive and that material really stuck, so it kind of tore it apart in some spots to make it weak, so I'm gonna have to reinforce that. And it tore off this entire part that goes right here. So I'm gonna have to fix that, but that's no problem. We can fix that easy. So now we just have to get all of this extra foam off to get it nice and smooth. Then we can start doing repairs and we'll start getting the new material laid on it. I'm gonna start repairing some of the broken spots on the headliner board. So like right here, there's a crack and it's pretty thin. So what you can do is you can take a cereal box or any of this thin cardboard, and you can cut out the thin strips like this, and you can glue them on the back to reinforce it. So I'm gonna glue one on the back like that, and then one on the front like this, and it's gonna reinforce, and it's gonna strengthen the whole board. So basically what I'm doing with the cardboard is I'm just cutting out a small section. I am shaping it to the contour of the material so that it has a little shape. Then I'm gonna put some glue down and set it in and glue it down firm so that it holds right over the crack and it gives it some stability. Okay, so all of the repairs are made to the headliner board, so now we just need to get some headliner fabric. All right, we got our fabric. This is a lighter fleece material. I think it's gonna stick a little better than the actual headliner material I got. It's lighter and I used that kind of material on the Jeep. That held up great, so I think it'll be the same for this. Okay, I have the headliner board here and the material, and here is the adhesive I'm going to be using. It's Permatex Heavy Duty Automotive Headliner Adhesive. I've used this every time I've redone a headliner and it has been pretty good. It sprays in kind of like a spider web pattern. So let's get to it. So the headliner material is laid down. It turned out really good. We don't have any wrinkles or anything. We're gonna flip it over, start gluing the other side, and then cut out all the little cutouts, and we'll be all set. Okay, so we have the headliner done, both of the sun visors done. So now, before we install these on the car, we're gonna let them bake for about a day or two, and then we can get them installed back on the car. I'm gonna do a time lapse while I reinstall the headliner and the trim pieces, and we will meet up when that is done. And there we go. The entire car is back together. I think the black looks great in there. And overall, it turned out very well. I cannot complain. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and comment how you think it turned out. I hope this taught you a little bit on how to redo your headliner if you ever want to redo it. It's a simple and easy job, and people will definitely notice it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.